So, there's something very, very exciting in this box. So, for Butari, there's something she really needs. And what every boat needs is a new boat. So, in this box is Butari's new tender. And this is the first time we've actually ever owned a new boat that doesn't need any restoration. So, let's get it open.
So when we're on Butari, what I want to do is anchor Butari up and then go exploring to the shore. So you see all these little coves, don't you, and these little caves going into the rocks. So this is my dream, is to anchor up, get on the tender and go and explore.
So have you got a good boat for exploring on?
We have now. This is the Boatworld Explorer 320. So it's basically, it's their heavy duty range. So that'll suit us fine.
Right, I want to see it, I want to see it. There you go, when you're up a creek, you've got a paddle. So we've got the boat, pump, some seats, some oars.
Yeah, and a big bag.
Right. Yeah, it's got a big bag, which is great. It's not like a bag, it's like a thing, so...
You kind of wrap it around it, because you can never get stuff back in the bag, can you? So this bag actually, yeah, it's a really good idea. Look at it now. Guess what colour it is? Can you tell? SWAT team.
Right, should we pump it up? So today I haven't got the energy to do the hand pump, but we've got this electric pump. So, we'll use this.
It's not a pump. It's like a cycle helmet.
It's like a welding mask. So what's really good about this pump is that you can actually set what bar or PSI you want to blow it up to. And what I really like about the Boatworld boat is that it actually tells you on the side what to blow it up in. So maximum 0.25 bar. So we'll just set this to 0.20 for now, just in case I don't know.
Because you like,
it
takes off and like, why do we fill it with helium?
Do you know what? And these pumps, obviously, they've got a battery in them as well, so you don't, when you're out on your boat or, you know, setting it up and you haven't got power, don't need it.
That's easy. What do you do? On. I'm sure these pumps were cheaper last year.
Well, that's the price of inflation. Maybe we should have done the middle first because it's going to be hard to lean over to get the pump in.
So obviously we've not read the instructions because we're just like normal humans who just press buttons. But what I think's happening, the pump gives a high volume, and then when it gets to a certain pressure, then it switches pumps, so it goes to a pressure pump. Then it's quite clever, really. Isn't it?
That's what we think.
Yeah, no, that's what's happening. It's fun. So here's our goal pressure, and this is what pressure is out now. Good for airbeds, and hey, we've got a banana boat as well. So you can put anything up there, anywhere on the beach.
On the back of the boat.
Back of the boat. Wonder if it'll supply air to a diver.
I'm not testing.
Oh, just that. Little pipe in the mouth. That's right, that's good. That right, it's getting there now. It should stop now at 20.
Woo! And that is...
That's not even the full pressure. That feels like...
Yeah.
Oh.
Right, keep pumping.
You just all of a sudden become buoyant.
Don't rock the boat, love. Wow, look at that. So we've got 2 seats in this boat, which is great. But the thing about these seats is they're a bit cold. And it's a bit like, could give you piles on your bum, innit? So we've got some awesome seat covers. So, comfy, padded seats. But also these seats are little storage bags, look. So anything that I don't want to get wet, like my dinner and my drinks and stuff, can go in there. That is cool. Can you tell how excited I am about a comfy seat and a bag?
It's the only boat we've got a fixed seat, isn't it?
So yeah. Right, so we've got one for this side as well.
So how does it fit?
Dead easy.
Oh, so there's little Velcro things.
Little Velcro-y things that go under to keep the seat in place. So then it goes into there. And then the strap secures it onto there, the Velcro.
Ah, so you can take it off quite easy as well.
Yeah.
Maybe you can use them as bags, do you think?
Yeah, it's got a strap, so you could just carry it as a bag. But so when you go to the beach, you could take it off with your stuff in and have something comfortable to sit on.
Yeah, yeah.
It's all secure so you won't fall off. Strap it down and then loads of space to store my snacks.
And your fishing stuff or whatever if you go fishing. Or...
Right, speaking of fishing, where am I going to put my fishing rods?
Yeah, Jem, you can actually put fishing rods in it. Put it on like that. You adjust that to where you want it on the angle. You can lock it. It can't fall out. You can lock your fishing rod into it, which is cool. But as well, you can also put it on your roll cage.
Roll cage. Look at that!
So now so you can basically store your rods or whatever up there when you're fishing. That's really cool. This is really, really cool.
Right, have we got any more bits to add to this tender?
Oh, let's have a look. So we've also got some landing gear. Check them out. So we've now fitted the retractable landing gear. I think there's a bit of face about. So they come up there when you're sailing away, and then they deploy and lock in. Look, check that out. That's cool, that though, isn't it? Because then you can like just wheel it around. And it's got a nice little handle here at the front, which I've noticed. So you can take your boat for a walk. So it's also got a barrel roller as well for your little anchor.
And this is good because that locks it in place, doesn't it?
Yeah, and then you can release it if you need to. If you let some more rope out, and you can adjust it back in. So you can move your fishing spot a bit easier. We've also got a bridle for when we're towing it behind Butari.
I'll even put my fishing rods up there now.
So you keep your backup oars there, because obviously we never have engine trouble, do we?
Row, row, row your boat. Am I doing it the right way?
No, it's
Are we
wrong.
going backwards?
No, yeah.
Hold on, what way is
You
it?
have to pull. Power, that's it, pull now. That's it, yep. That's it, pull.
I can't get it.
For some reason, rowers always go backwards.
That way.
No, they're going backwards now.
I'm going backwards. I'll get the gist of it when I'm on the water. Aren't they really good, them mounts, though?
Yeah, because like, you can actually get some power into them, can't you?
Yeah, usually, like, whenever we've had to oar a boat, they're just like, off the side.
With a piece of wood.
So actually, we might go somewhere with these.
No. They're for emergency use only.
Yeah, but I mean, when we do need them, we might be able to go somewhere.
Right, so what's next, Jem?
Well, I think we need to go and get this boat in the water and give it a proper test. Let's go. So I think the only way that we ever test our boats is to hand them over to our
Tame racing driver. I'll tame boat handling.
So we're gonna let Rich test this boat.
We need a name for Richard. Rich
Rich will do.
What?
Rich.
The Ancient Mariner is going to test this boat for us because we trust his opinion when it comes to boats, and he's the person we go to go, what do you think of this boat, what do you think of this boat? So I think for honest feedback onto how this boat handles, we're going to pass you over to Rich. Oh, can you handle 6 horse, Rich? So what tips can you give us for when you're actually manoeuvring a boat around the marina, Rich?
Slow as possible, in and out of gear. Get your steering sorted before you pop it into gear.
Steer before gear.
Yeah, that's the one.
So I was having a word with Richard, and I was saying what he should do is do some how-to guides, because Richard, trust me, is the master of parking boats and basically everything boat related. You guys think we should do some more, bit of a sideline of like how to park boats, how to tie it up, how to do what, you know, like basics. Not necessarily basics, but from a professional boat handler who's
not us.
Who's our mentor.
Useful tips, isn't it?
Useful tips.
So how's it handling, Rich?
Well, considering we've got 3 or 4 knots of current behind us, wind against us, there's 3 large people except for Gemma on board. It's good, yeah, no, it's good. Okay, hanging on a couple of high-speed turns, okay?
Yeah, good.
Whoa, that was so fast!
Yeah.
So what did you think of the boat, Rich?
Well, manoeuvrable, stable with 3 of us on it. Feels nice. As a little sports boat, you could do the 10 horse maybe, or maybe a 15. I don't know how much they put on, 15. But initial reaction, that was good. I want one.
So this is the boat that we seen at the Southampton Boat Show, and we fell in love with it there, and it is fantastic. Now, I've had a word with the guys at Boatworld, and they've offered you guys a discount if you're looking for a new tender, but they also do loads of different boat and accessories, so go over and check out their website. There's a promotion code in the description of this video, so if you are looking for something, use the code and you'll get some money off your purchase. Right, next job is to get this over to Butari. Thanks for watching, see you next week.